BMW's i3 electric city auto shook up the charged domain when it appeared with modern styling, interesting bundling, and a carbon fiber undercarriage. It was the auto, alongside the i8, to acquaint the world with energized BMWs, and it's been a major achievement. Everybody knows the i3, and everybody knows it's electric. However, the primary bash at it wasn't without its blemishes. BMW's facelifted i3 has arrived, however, highlighting amended tech, refreshed styling, and out of the blue, an i3's an electric hot bring forth. The BMW i3 is about manageability. Housed inside the carbon fiber shell, the inside itself is a mistake of fascinating materials, including squeezed, reused filaments, framing the dash and entryway boards, and crude wood decorates. Be that as it may, there are as yet recognizable BMW configuration prompts, for example, the guiding Haggle infotainment framework. Be that as it may, it's bundled dissimilar to some other BMW, with an eye on city driving. A conservative outside houses four inhabitants in a moderately upright way. It's agreeable for short excursions. However, longer ones take a higher toll on the body. Extensive entryway gaps make entrance and departure simple for front inhabitants. Yet the suicide-style ways to the back are fairly cumbersome, as back travelers can't enter and exit without the driver, front traveler evacuating their safety belt, and opening the front entryway first. In any case, once inside it's open, with masses of headroom, and a tolerably estimated trunk of 9.2 cubic feet that can swell to 38.8. You'd think a back-wheel drive BMW would have luring driving elements. However, in any event, in base shape, the i3 is the farthest thing from a driver's auto. Being tall and riding high on thin, low-profile tires, there's a consistent inclination you're going to upset when you corner. It's halfway to do with the roost-like seating position. However, the directing, light and without feel, doesn't assist either with its arcade amusement reactions. Yet, the i3 has a low focal point of gravity, putting it all on the line, with a story-mounted battery pack keeping the weight incorporated. However, the extra weight makes its own issues, and it sets with vast breadth combination wheels to make a ride best depicted as naughty. On anything bar satiny surfaces, auxiliary ride is seriously traded off, and bigger knocks influence the ride to feel extremely disruptive. The i3's, with its more extensive track, bring-down suspension, and more extensive tires, ought to go some approach to settling the ride and making it a quicker drive.